Hello everybody, this is Rodrigo speaking. And if you've come this far, it's because you're looking for an honest evaluation and would like to know more about Ocuprime and if it really can help you with your eye health and vision or if it's just one of the many promises we find on the internet. Then stay here with me until the end that I will help you to make the best decision without beating around the bush and verify with you if Ocuprime really works, if it is safe, what are its nutrients and what benefits these nutrients will bring you. I will show you the correct way to use and also show you where you can be buying if you make this decision. And right away, I want to make a very important warning. It is essential that if you are going to buy this product, buy only through the manufacturer's official website to avoid fakes in the formula and distorted prices and thus ensure that all ingredients are pure, because there are several people losing money because they are buying outside the official site of the manufacturer. Then it is important you know that Ocuprime is not sold in pharmacies, stores, marketplaces, or other places, but only on the official site, and to help you I'll leave the official website of the manufacturer below this video. That said, let's go to the first point of this video. What is Ocuprime really? Ocuprime is a natural supplement that came about after more than 60 clinical studies were analyzed to find a total of 24 ingredients specific to eye health and vision, including night vision. And among all these ingredients the main ones are eyebright, quercetin, blueberry, lycopene, magnesium, rutin, grapeseed, zeaxanthin and lutein, which together will optimize and help in restoring eye health for healthy vision, helping to reduce eye redness and inflammation, preventing age-related macular degeneration, improving night vision, reducing eye fatigue, and protecting against the development of cataracts and macular degeneration, reduces the risk of some chronic eye diseases, helps reduce intraocular pressure, a risk factor for glaucoma, helps strengthen blood vessels, and reduces capillary fragility. And there are a lot of people who are having great results with this formula, so yes, it really works and it has helped a lot of people. And something that is very good about this supplement is that it's a natural formula with plant ingredients and it's non-GMO and very easy to swallow, and it doesn't contain stimulants. However, in order for you to have the same benefits that other people are having, it is necessary to use Ocuprime the right way, and the right way to use it is by taking 2 capsules a day, 1 capsule in the morning at breakfast and the other one in the evening with dinner. This way you will be able to experience all the powerful plant extracts, vitamins and antioxidants included in Ocuprime. But is Ocuprime really safe? I did some research and saw that Ocuprime has high-quality, natural ingredients manufactured in FDA-approved facilities under strict and precise sterile standards. Each of the ingredients that go into Ocuprime is tested for purity and to ensure against toxins and contaminants, so from this, we can conclude that Ocuprime has passed rigorous safety tests and is therefore quite safe. And which bottle should I choose to start with? Well, each one should evaluate the financial situation that fits best at the moment. But the recommended for best results is to make continuous use for at least 90 days of treatment, and as this is a supplement that is being sold a lot, the stocks end up running out quickly, and so that people do not run out, they end up stocking up and taking advantage of the discount of $780 taking the treatment for 180 days and paying cheaper for each bottle. And looking at the official site, I saw that the manufacturer gives 2 bonuses to those who take the kits of 6 or 3 bottles. But what if it doesn't work for me and I lose my money? We know that each body works differently, so the results vary for each person. Precisely because of this, if you are not totally and completely satisfied with Ocuprime or its results in the first 60 days, simply inform the manufacturer by calling the toll-free number or sending an email available on the official website, and you will be refunded within 48 hours of the product being returned. That's right, simply return the product, even the empty bottles, anytime within 60 days of purchase, and you will receive a full refund and no questions asked. It's important to mention once again that Ocuprime is not available on other websites, but only on the manufacturer's official website, so be very careful when buying so as not to fall for fraudulent sites, and to help you find it easier I'll leave the official website link in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. If you want to analyze yourself the scientific studies that prove all the effectiveness and safety of the product, just enter the official website and go in the references to see each study that the manufacturer leaves available, and this is something that helps a lot and leaves us more tranquil. I hope it has helped you to make the best decision and that you can have your vision normalized. and I would like to ask you to share it with more people so that they also are not deceived and do not fall into scams with fake formulas. Well, I'm done here and see you next time.